everyone, from the picture I perceived 6 characters of the age ranging between 22 to 40 years. Their overall mood is positive and the action of my story is spreading awareness about the government policies. Raman is a 24-year-old psychologist who also works for an NGO. Raman was given the task of going to the village and spreading the awareness regarding the government policies for the benefit of villagers. Raman, along with his team, went to the village and made them aware about the different policies of the government like PM Kisan Yojana, the PM Shri portal for the migrant workers and the labourers, and also about the rooftop solarization for which they can gain benefit by selling the electricity that they produce. Raman and his team worked hard and went from village to village, spreading the awareness and made the villagers aware. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone. From the picture I have perceived 6 characters. The age range is all are male. The age range is between 12 to 52. The overall mood is positive. Action of my story is survey in a village. Abhay, an agricultural science student, was assigned to do a survey in a nearby village along with his group by his department. As he went there, he noticed that the farmers are very poor and their income are very low. So he talked to various farmers, discussed about the condition of the farmers in that village, and he decided to aware them about the multiple sources of income. He gathered them and informed them about the practices like pisciculture and horticulture, and soon they noticed the rise in their income. Thank you.
Change everyone. From the picture I have perceived 6 characters. 5 are male and 1 is female. Age ranging between 17 to 65 years of age. Overall mood is positive. The action of my story is helping others. Helping others feels like inner satisfaction. Rohit is a 36-year-old, is a government teacher in village, government doctor in village Panipat. One day he along with his assistant went for the diagnosis of one family where one old lady was sick. There he diagnosed the old lady, gave her injection and medicine, and also provided them with his number. He advised old lady to eat healthy, get some sunlight and rest. The old lady and her family appreciated for his effort, and he also felt satisfied. Thank you. Jai Hind everyone. From the picture I perceived 6 characters, all male. The overall mood of the picture is positive and the age bracket is between 15 to 60 years old. The action of my story is conducting survey and providing aid in the village. Ram, a 25-year-old graduate in social services from MSU University, after completing his masters and training on ground duties, decided to give back to the society. He with his batchmates created a team of students and prepared a questionnaire for the village people so that the village people can understand the questionnaire that will be easy for them. He with his friends visited each and every household in the village and contacted all the villagers and asked about their living and health conditions and problems they are facing. He with his teams conducted a survey and reached to various other NGOs for help and providing aid to all the village members with food and medical services. All the village members feel fulfilled and they promise them to help them further.
Friends, from the picture shown to us, I have observed 5 male characters, age ranging from 16 to 65 years. Overall mood is positive. The action of my story is promotion of solar power. Sustainability is the fuel for future generations. Ravi, 35, was the assistant engineer at Electricity Board, Madhya Pradesh. He, along with his colleague, decided to take up the task to educate the locals regarding the new Pradhan Mantri Solar Energy Yojana. He reached a colony, gathered some residents and made them aware of the subsidies being provided by the government. He further told them about the cost efficiency of the program, showed them some videos of the installation of solar panels. He further told them about the cost efficiency of the program. Also, he made them told them about the benefits of using solar energy as an alternative of the conventional energy. With his discussion, he was able to convince the locals into getting on board the program.
Start.
Then friends, from the picture I perceive 6 characters, 5 of male and 1 is female. Age ranging between 10 to 50 years. And mood is all positive. Extra stories conducted a survey in the village area. Rajiv is a 26-year-old man, is the panchayat secretary in the Rampur place. He was ordered from the district headquarters to conduct a survey in the village. Then he prepared a two-man team and visit the place. And he asked their education qualification and voter ID cards and Ayushman cards. And he also meet the old age people to ask their pension scheme. Then he prepared a report and submit to his senior officers.
Jai Hind everybody. From the above picture, I have perceived 6 characters, all male, all mood positive, in the age bracket of 25 to 60 years. It is a scene of a slum where the survey is conducted. Ram, a 28 years old owner of an NGO by the name Jagrut Bharat, has conducted a survey in a nearby village of his town to know whether these people who are living in slums are getting the benefits of PDS properly or not. So after the survey, he found that the people who are living in the slums are getting the benefits at the rate of 3 to 1, the rupees 3 rupees per kg rice, 2 rupees per kg wheat, and 1 rupees per kg pulses in a village. And when he saw the data of the government, so he found that the benefits which are given by the PDS suppliers to the people in the village is correct, and for his data is also systematically used by the government for knowing the policies, for knowing that the policies are running properly or not in the slums. So for this noble effort of the Ram, the state has awarded him a state award on the 15th of August. Thank you.
Jai Hind. From the picture I perceive there are 4 characters. One is female and all are males. The age bracket is from 22 to 42 years and all have a positive mood. And my story goes like this. Ram, who is a reporter at news channel, he works as a editor in news channel. He was assigned a task under the investigation or search and for the development of buildings in the slum areas by the government under the scheme of PM Awas Yojana. So he visited the slum and he seen that there is no sign of construction anywhere. After that, he visited a lady whose name was Shaina, 42 years old lady, where Shaina deliberately told him that the whole scenario, and from the while he was interviewing the Shaina, he understood that the helplessness in her eyes which was kept alive. So he took the initiative and so used the social media handle like Twitters and all media to get the information quickly and to get the attention of government under the scheme which was assigned. Thank you.